Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be talking about the keto diet for beginners. The ketogenic diet, or keto diet, is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate eating plan that has gained immense popularity for its potential to help with weight loss and improve overall health. If you're new to the keto diet, this guide will provide you with everything you need to know to get started, including what it is, how it works, and practical tips for success. What is the keto diet? The keto diet involves drastically reducing your carbohydrate intake and replacing it with fat. This reduction in carbs puts your body into a metabolic state called ketosis. When your body is in ketosis, it becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for energy. It also turns fat into ketones in the liver, which can supply energy for the brain. How does the keto diet work? Normally, your body relies on glucose from carbohydrates as its primary source of energy. When you consume fewer carbs, your glucose levels drop, and your body begins to look for alternative fuel sources. This is where ketosis comes in. During ketosis, your body starts breaking down stored fat into molecules called ketones, which it uses as a new energy source. Benefits of the keto diet. And weight loss. The keto diet can help you lose weight by reducing your appetite and increasing your metabolism. 2. Blood sugar control. Keto can improve blood sugar levels and insulin sensitivity, making it a great option for people with type 2 diabetes. 3. Increased energy and focus. Many people report having more consistent energy levels and improved mental clarity on the keto diet. Improved heart health. By improving cholesterol levels, the keto diet can contribute to better heart health. Getting started on the keto diet. Calculate your macros. On the keto diet, your daily calorie intake should come from approximately 70 to 75% fat, 20-25% protein, and 5-10% carbohydrates. Use an online calculator to determine your specific needs. Choose keto-friendly foods. Focus on high-fat, low-carb foods like meat, fish, eggs, butter, nuts, healthy oils, avocados, and low-carb vegetables, e.g., leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower. 3. Plan your meals. Meal planning is essential for staying on track. Prepare your meals and snacks ahead of time to avoid reaching for high-carb options. Stay hydrated, drink plenty of water, and consider adding electrolytes to your diet, as the keto diet can lead to increased water and mineral loss. 5. Monitor your ketosis. Use ketone test strips or a blood meter to check your ketone levels and ensure you are in ketosis. Common challenges and how to overcome them. Keto flu. When you start the keto diet, you might experience flu-like symptoms such as headaches, fatigue, and irritability. This is known as the keto flu. To alleviate symptoms, stay hydrated, ensure adequate salt intake, and gradually reduce your carb intake instead of cutting carbs abruptly. Cravings. Cravings for high-carb foods can be intense in the beginning. Combat this by having keto-friendly snacks on hand and ensuring you're consuming enough fat to feel satiated. Social situations. Eating out or attending social events can be challenging. Plan ahead by checking restaurant menus for keto-friendly options or bringing your own dishes to gatherings. Sample keto meal plan for beginners. Breakfast. Keto omelette, made with eggs, cheese, spinach, and mushrooms cooked in butter. Lunch. Avocado chicken salad, grilled chicken breast, avocado, mixed greens, olive oil, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Dinner. Grilled salmon with asparagus. Salmon fillet cooked in coconut oil served with steamed asparagus. Snacks. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, chia seeds. Cheese, hard cheeses like cheddar or Gouda. Vegetable sticks with guacamole. Celery, cucumber, and bell pepper with homemade guacamole. Starting a keto diet can be a life-changing decision, leading to significant health benefits and weight loss. With careful planning, a focus on high-quality foods, and a bit of perseverance, you can successfully transition into and thrive on the keto diet. To make your keto journey even easier, consider the custom keto diet plans. This personalized plan is designed to meet your specific needs, preferences, and goals. By following a custom-tailored approach, you can maximize your results and enjoy a variety of delicious keto-friendly meals. Click the link in the description to learn more and purchase your custom keto diet plan today. By taking the first step towards a healthier lifestyle with the keto diet, you're setting yourself up for success. Embrace the journey and enjoy the transformative benefits that await you. If you enjoyed watching this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.